Urgent hiring for senior executive HR operations female. Veritas Talent Search is hiring on behalf of a leading power electronics manufacturing company for its manufacturing plant in Neemrana, Rajasthan. Position senior executive or assistant manager HR operations female. Location Neemrana, Rajasthan. Qualification regular MBA HR, MSW or PGDHRM. Experience 3 to 4 years. CTC 5 to 6 LPA. Key responsibilities: HR operations and employee lifecycle management, attendance, leave, and HRIS management, onboarding and induction, employee engagement activities, statutory, HR documentation and compliance support, HRMIS reporting and data management, coordination with payroll and plant functions, policy implementation and HR administration. What we are looking for: a strong understanding of HR operations in manufacturing environment, excellent communication and interpersonal skills, good knowledge of MS Excel and HRMS, a proactive, detail oriented and people centric प्रोफेशनल। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं इस जॉब के लिए तो नीचे दिए गए ईमेल पर अपना अपडेटेड सीवी भेज करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।